Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you a simple modification for this watch Casio W735H, and that is by changing the bezel screws. So as you can see here, it has 4 screws and the color is chrome, and we will change it to be something like this. So it's going to be a black screws, and yeah, first let us remove the 4 screws. And the screw size is 1.4 millimeters. So I bought these screws 1.4 millimeters by 6 millimeters long. And wait a moment, let me take off all the screws. You will need a screwdriver like this. Okay, and here is the bezel. It is removable like this. So we are not going to change the bezel, it will stay there, but we will change the screws. So let me get one of them. By the way, if you want to try this modification, make sure that the screw that you get is the same size with the original one. So you need to measure the width and also the length. I bought this from a local supplier, but I'm sure you can also find it online. But yes, please make sure that the size is the same with the original one. So you don't want a screw that is too long or too short, or maybe too large. It will ruin the thread. So okay, now it's time to install the new screws. Okay, done. And with just a simple modification, we can get a new look for this watch, Casio W735H with black screws. And I think it looks better with this one compared to the original chrome plated screws. But anyway, that's just maybe my opinion. If you like with the original one, then that's okay. But if you want to try this modification, just make sure that the screws are the same size with the original ones. You don't want to ruin the thread and also the bezel. Nice. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope this is useful. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video. Bye.